Welcome back to Taste the Word with Julia. Today we are making no-bake peanut butter protein balls. They take about 10 minutes to throw together and no oven needed. You will need 1.5 cups of whole rolled oats, 1 cup of peanut butter, 60 milliliters of maple syrup, 2 scoops of protein powder, I use vanilla protein powder, and 6 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a pinch of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, add everything together and stir everything until it's well combined. The mixture will be thick and a little stiff. If it feels too dry, add some water. If you enjoy quick recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Use a spoon to portion the mixture. Roll each portion into a ball with your hands. Then lay them out in a single layer on a plate or small baking sheet and chill them in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Then store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week, or as well you can freeze them for up to 3 months. And here you are, no-bake peanut butter protein balls. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Watch the next video here.